Hello, I'm Michael Lee Johnson, Poet International, and I'd like to read a cute little poem for you tonight. I tell Nikki's Short Cat Story Dreams by Michael Lee Johnson. I know my cat is messed up when she sticks her paws in catnip bowl loaded. This is where science fiction begins, and ancient history has become modern poetry. Nikki dreams of stale fish, munchies, dead frogs, string beans dipped in fennel seeds on a shish kebab stick. She scratches my dirty laundry bag to ward off evil spirits. In catnip vision, she supports me in her love of belly rubs. Have buzzed out to our yard dark night, fielding fragments of leftover LSD. She has lost her appetite. She has skipped meals. Thank you for listening.